Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Gemini voice. So as you can see, unfortunately, there isn't a direct setting to change Gemini's voice on the Gemini mobile app or the laptop. The voice is currently fixed. However, Google has been known to introduce new features and updates to their AI products, so it can be possible in the future they might add the option to customize the voice. As you can see, when I click on this listen button,
there isn't a direct setting to change Gemini.
this is the Gemini's voice at default, but you cannot change it. So I will show you a workaround through which you can do that. The simple way is simply select the text that you want to read aloud, right click and choose read aloud selection. Make sure you're using Gemini on Microsoft Edge in order to do this. Simply navigate to Gemini, select the text that you want to read aloud, right click and click on read aloud selection. And as you can see, you can easily use other voices on Gemini by doing this. You can also click on this voice options, choose the speed of this voice, whether you want it to be slow, normal or fast. You can also click on choose voice section and choose another language or another tone for your speech. For example, I will choose this one and I'll click on play.
On the Gemini mobile app, the voice is currently fixed.
So that was a workaround for how to change Gemini's voice. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.